Hello everybody, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Very nice to see all of you in yet another video from the Jade Success Series. Before we start the new year, let us write down the negatives of the previous year and burn it up. This is what we have to basically do. I am burning this paper, I am burning it and putting it in the bin. When we do this, we can herald the new year in a better way. Many of you would have had a lot of problems in the previous year. Maybe pain, agony, disease, accidents, and so on and so forth. What we have to do is write it down and again put them in the bin. I will begin by stating that we have to cultivate a positive mental attitude. That is where everything good begins in our life. Focus is essential for us in our lives. Very, very important in our lives. Let's say you are driving a car, you will have to keep looking at the rear mirror. But that does not mean to say you keep looking at it always. You must also focus on the road, failing which you can go astray. There are three things I would like to tell you about associating with people. Surround yourself with people who are positive minded. That is the first point we have to learn. The next is be with people who have a positive energy, because positive energy is contagious. And finally, associate with people who have a success mindset. There's another very important point which we all have to understand. That is, listen carefully. Speak what is essential and be a keen observer in things. Some of us tend to lose our cool very often. Please remember, in maintaining cool, there are a lot of advantages. It's always advisable to remain calm even in the storm. Eat and sleep on time, because they are the essentials of life. Take one raw meal a day and eat healthy foods. Also drink plenty of water. Well, if you are a drinker, let it be moderate. If you are a smoker, I would definitely not recommend smoking. If you are married, be loyal to your spouse, because that's also very essential in our lives. The next is spend a lot of time with kids, so also other children, because that too makes a lot of difference in our well-being. Well, if you are employed, please remember to enjoy your profession, to be loyal and sincere to your employers. Well, if you are a businessman, please ensure that you engage in fair trade practices, so also business ethics, which is very important in today's life. Now what I did was something called de-weeding. Only if we de-weed, this place will look clean. The same goes with the mind, because the mind can be a healer or a killer. Unless and until you de-weed and remove the negatives from your mind, it won't function. I think you are intelligent enough to understand what to do and what not to do. I am referring to the various distractions that are at our disposal today and how we need to avoid them in order to forge ahead in life. Those who follow the policy of never forgive, please remember, by doing so, you are collecting rust and secondly, inviting diseases. So forgive, forget and move on. As we summarize, let me state, life is to be lived, and the way we live depends on our happiness quotient. And as I summarize, I would like to state something very, very important for all of you, and that is, our life is in our own hands. Thank you very much for viewing this presentation.